The duration of the courses at Monaco Nail Academy can vary depending on the specific module chosen and the pace at which a student progresses. You have 12 months to complete each module from the time you enroll, but the actual duration is entirely up to you. For the Foundation Certificate in Nail Technology, the course is designed to be flexible and self-guided, allowing students to complete it at their own pace. Generally, students might take anywhere from a few months to a year to complete the course, depending on their individual schedules and commitments. The Foundation Certificate includes over 130 hours of in-depth pre-recorded video content, 60 hours of live lessons, supporting texts, and then you need to practice. It sounds like a lot, but if you committed 8 hours per day to the course and spent 5 hours of that day watching videos and 3 hours in live lessons, it would take 26 days to complete the content and then another day or two to sit assessments. At 1 day a week, that's just over 6 months, or if you use up the full 12-month allowance, you'll just need to set aside an average of 4 hours per week. If you don't want to do the full Foundation Certificate, you can choose from the 12 individual modules that form the course, creating a pick and mix qualification that suits your goals and interests. All modules blend pre-recorded video demos, written step-by-steps, and optional live lessons with exams to track your progress. When you view the enrollment page for a module, you'll also see the expected duration, and by enrolling in one module at a time, your workload reduces, with the 12-month time limit applying to each module as you enroll, not to your time at Monaco as a whole.